Yeah, people. You don't know then I town.
With some tricky question.
Yeah, man, and you know, say,
We are giving $3,000 worth of credit.
and one lucky bang of fun. You don't know it go. So watch you now. We'll just big up to you sponsor them real quick. Them
Yeah.
up on the Plaza here, Western Union upstairs. You see me? So show them Western Union upstairs, make them know exactly where to go.
Yeah, so you don't
You
know.
see it? So you can't last. The Western Union, the pharmacy, at the back, make sure when you have your prescriptions, you go around, they go check it out.
I don't know it.
You see me? Let's put on the intro, we tell you more in the video.
I
You
don't
see
know.
it? And the phone shop too, don't forget the phone shop.
The phone shop. I don't know. I think I'm done.
On to the video.
Yeah, people say you don't know. So where they are with.
We're here with. Oh yeah, run go. Yeah, what you gonna do? What's your name?
Onika.
Onika.
Yeah man, dream boy, I don't know.
Claudine.
Andra.
Anja.
Angela.
Alright, Miss Andra. Angela.
Alright.
You know say 9 binds though.
9
Nine
binds. Yeah,
binds.
artist. Yeah, artist. Alright, no problem.
Amoy.
I'm on. Alright, Miss Amon.
Lavish.
Lavish.
Sean.
Sean.
Alright, Mr. Sean. What's your name, man?
Estella.
Esther.
Esther.
Alright, tell them your name.
Janet.
Janet. Alright, Miss Janet. So what we're gonna do today, ma'am?
Janet. Yeah.
Alright, Miss Janet.
Yeah, people say no, so where they are with.
Zaria. Alicia.
So we have 3 questions for you, right?
Yes.
And if you answer 3 of them correctly, you can win some credit. For the first question.
What 2 things you can never eat for breakfast? What 2 things you can never eat for breakfast?
Enough along with 2 things that I can do.
Just tell me what 2 things you can't eat for breakfast.
You can't eat yourself for breakfast.
Can't eat yourself, that's one.
You can't eat shit for breakfast.
Can't.
You can't eat
Yeah.
ear
Ear. That's a one.
and concrete.
Concrete, that's 2.
That's the ear to answer.
Well, you can't eat dirt and you can't eat stone.
Can't eat there. What 2 things you can't eat for breakfast? Easy. Easy.
Water.
Water.
What 2 things? Go on.
Water and
And it's a tea.
Tea.
water and tea. You can never eat for breakfast. You can come and tell them.
Can never eat water and tea for breakfast.
Yeah.
Sure, alright.
You know, said one.
Go on, man. You know, man. You be like you don't know, man. 9 binds.
You said a food.
Food.
Lunch and dinner. You can't eat for breakfast.
Food, lunch, and dinner.
You
2
can't eat
things in
food.
it.
You can't eat
2
lunch
things in it.
and dinner.
Can't eat lunch and dinner. What 2 things you can't eat for breakfast?
Think about it.
Any 2 things. Just tell them now. Any
Tell
2
them.
things.
Anything come to your brain.
You ever get credit
The
today?
peripheral.
I get free credit today. I say no. Any 2 things.
Any 2 things.
I can never eat for breakfast.
Yes.
2 things.
What 2 things?
Just 2 of them.
Easy, you know, generally, I know how I go on, you know.
I get the credit.
You never
Lunch
get
and
credit.
dinner.
Lunch. You can't eat it for breakfast. 2 things. Never can eat in a history of time. Yes, that's the answer. Look in the camera, tell them.
Chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice. What 2 things you can't eat for breakfast? No, just tell them
Lunch
right
and
now.
dinner.
Dirt, that's a 1.
Poison.
Poison. Never can eat in a history of time. What word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary?
What word?
What word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary? Random.
There's no word that's spelled incorrectly. That one tricky.
That one tricky. What?
Think about it, man. Think about it. Just
You
check.
have the answer, man. Ready?
Credit is on the line, you know. Think about the credit.
What word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary?
Everyone, all the Spanish and the French.
Every
one.
dictionary.
In every dictionary.
Every dictionary.
Heavy time.
What word is spelled
Incorrectly in every dictionary. You know.
Man, sing about it, I don't know.
In every dictionary, you know, the word spelled incorrectly.
Incorrectly.
Incorrectly?
Yeah.
That's the answer?
Yeah man.
What word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary? Is it incorrectly? Alright.
Think about that one.
Incorrectly.
It's spelled correctly.
Look in the camera, tell him.
Incorrectly. There's no incorrect question. And spelling in the dictionary, because incorrectly is spelled correctly. Can't get that one.
Can't get that one? Alright.
Incorrectly.
Incorrectly?
Yeah.
Alright, what word is spelled incorrectly in every single dictionary? Go on, man.
The credit is on the line. The credit is on the line.
Right, is the man.
Yeah, man, get right on the first.
First thing, just tell him, no, man.
We can skip it.
And come back. Alright. Let's skip that one until you come back. What word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary?
Every dictionary.
Every single dictionary, the word spelled incorrectly. What word? I don't know. Go on, man, you know.
No dictionary, man.
Yeah, people. So today's video was sponsored by Western Union. And you know the phone shop, phone and accessories.
And Value Care Pharmacy.
Yeah.
Check them out at shop number 5, Juici Plaza in Mandeville, Manchester. You don't know where to go.
If you want the prescription for
walk with me. WhatsApp number right here. And if you get the prescriptions, just make sure you call them, people. Call them, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure you call them, you know.
You want the prescription for the coronavirus? So can tell them what's your name?
I'm Zaria. Alisa Stewart.
Just remember, this video
Was sponsored by
Western Union.
Value Care Pharmacy. Phones and accessories.
Yeah, man. If I never them wouldn't give us something today.
Today. So just know, so you just click the link in the description. IG.
Everything. Last question, you know. What never ask a question but get answered all the time?
You have to ask questions to get answers. No question? Can you ask question? You can't get an answer. You must get answer.
Let me ask the question again. What never ask a question but always gets answered?
What never ask a question
But always get answered. Think about it, you know. The credit is right there in the pocket.
My mother.
Never ask a question yet, but always get answer. One man. One man. Just tell me first thing come to your mind, man. Go on. Never ask a question, but always get answered. The credit free. You just like US so.
The person who. Alright.
Yeah.
It's like you ask me one question.
Yeah.
And me would repeat the question.
Alright.
Your phone.
Credit. Courtesy of Western Union, Phone Shop, and the pharmacy at the back of Juici Plaza.
No question. Also.
Look at the camera, tell me answer, man. Sure about the answer. What never, let me hear the question again. What never ask a question, but always get answered.
Signs.
Signs? That's the last answer?
Signs.
What kind of sign?
Posters. You can read. Did you sell sold credit here? You never ask the question.
But you get answered?
You get answers.
Well,
I'm sorry to say, I didn't know anything. Never ask a question, but always get answered.
right.
What you say? Alright, she get every day you walk
Your phone, man.
You can't get that one. Alright. So people should try it.
Never ask a question, but always get answered.
Yeah. See there?
The funny peripheral.
Phone.
Alright.
Right.
So you're gonna get a bonus question. I'm not gonna get old one. I get a new one. Cause you don't know, say, we're new in the streets. What is that?
Thank
So you
you.
can pick them up for yourself.
Yeah. Big up Western Union.
Alright.
Thank
Here we go.
you.
So you win 2 bills credit.
Yeah, man.
You see it free of cost. What kind of food you use?
Alright.
You know, so we don't have the left though.
Use the floor side way, man.
Use the flow side there. A joke, man. Yeah, alright, so you want bills inside and bills flow?
Eh?
You want that? Alright, no problem. Yeah, man, this I flow, this I did yourself. What is yours, but you don't use it like other people? It's yours, but you don't use it like other people.
It's so easy and yet so hard.
It's so
Other people use it more than me.
Yeah, and I hear your own.
You ask somebody to help me.
No.
What is mine?
But other people use it more than you. You know, man. Just tell them off at the top of your brain, man. Just make it look easy.
The credit, they right there saying, where they?
Mine.
Them all about the place.
Credit is
What
yours.
is
isn't it?
yours, but other people use it more than you.
Credit is yours, and that's one more question.
The one
for
who
answer,
drink water, you know.
I don't know. I
No, man, you have to know that one. You have to know that one, you know.
So
Other people use it more than me.
Yeah.
Well,
Hey.
welcome to my head. It can't be the correct answer.
That's the question again.
what is yours, but you don't use it like other people. So other people use it more than you.
Your eye. That's all.
Yeah, that's
That's the final answer.
Yo, remember, you know, if you get this right, you know, my G, you win.
Alright, somewhere you have, but somebody use it more than you.
Yeah. You blank?
They're gonna lose the credit, Miss Lovely.
I want, and say one.
What could it be?
Alright, we'll give you a chance to make the answer. You win the credit. Enough credit I give away, you know. And you never get free credit, so easy, you know.
Watch out. Alright, watch out now. It starts with O.
Easy as that.
Easy as that, it starts with O.
What is mine?
It started, oh my G. And I feel one.
I don't feel one.
Look at your mind, eh?
Right!
What is yours, but other people use it more than you?
Shh, don't tell her the answer. Don't tell her the answer.
William.
Yeah.
She's gonna get $200 credit right now.
Oh, but did you say that line?
This sell her line. One, alright. So you can share with her if you like.
They use it more, me.
Yeah, but I hear one.
But that's my own.
Yeah. Go on. And you can be uncensored if you want, if you think of that. Anything, just go on through.
Why you tough dog?
What do you use? Blow.
Alright, watch out now. Let us give this.
I hear is that.
I hear is that.
How much credit that?
Much credit.
It's a $200 credit.
200.
You ever get $200 credit just so.
People should get help, but watch out now. Watch out now. We give her the credit.
Yeah, man. So congratulations.
Okay.
It's the last of the credit. So thank you for participating, ma'am.
Shop at, you can fill your prescription at Value Care. I did.
What is mine?
Yeah.
But other people use it more than me.
Yeah.
And it starts with O.
Yeah.
Oh.
Easy, you know.
I feel one.
Easy, you know, my G.
I don't know.
And your name still, my boss.
I dream, man.
And your name.
Your name? Yeah.
Big up to the Western Union.
Tell them exactly
And
what
Merry
it is.
Christmas as well from Claudie.
Work a flow.
Work and flow so we get them kind of credit.
So we flap
Every day.
ourselves. We flap ourselves. We still get free credit. Yeah.
Alright. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna ask you 2 questions.
Yeah.
Anyone that make it right to get credit. Want it, not get it. But who says so first? Who says so
Who raise
first?
them on first?
She? Alright, watch out.
Alright.
What kind of phone they use? Alright,
that?
I get to do this to get it right now, my friend. Read this again. When you shovel, take yo.
Fitness shot video.
I see.
Who first say?
Over. I see. Mr. She first.
I get 200, I see I get 100. If 2 of them get that right,
Right.
so we have a bonus kid. They get a phone with a chip. First question is, what is yours, but everybody else use it more than you? See first.
See first. Where's it?
Your name?
Alright.
What time does the Western Union open? Eh? Wait. 7:30, that's the final answer.
the final
Alright,
answer.
last question. What is the maximum amount to connect at the Western Union? Huh? 1,000? That's the answer? That's the answer? Sorry to say,
You did not win the prize.
First question is, what is yours, but everybody else uses it more than you? Your name? Correct. What time does the Western Union open? 7 o'clock? 7 a.m. What is the limit? So much money you can collect here. 1,000 US? Is that
That's
the
your
answer?
final answer.
That's the final answer.
That's your final answer. Think about it.
That's the final
answer. Sorry to say you did not win the prize.
What can't you eat for breakfast? That's the first question. What time does the Western Union open? 7 o'clock.
Alright, correct.
Alright, so what is the limit? So, the money you can collect here. What is the limit?
50,000.
50,000. That's
That's
the
your
final answer.
That's your final answer.
Sure.
Sure.
Sorry to say.
You did not win the prize.
Again.
Throughout the week, they open 7 o'clock and on Saturdays they open at 8.
Okay.
Alright.
What is the limit to how much money you can collect here? See that?
So US.
Huh?
3,000 US.
Talk up now.
3,000 US.
Talk up now.
3,000 US.
Said 3,000 US.
Sorry to say you did not win.
No, the phone and the chip.
Sukumati.
Huh?
Sukumati.
It's a surprise phone, not even me no know. A girl fell off a 50-foot ladder, but did not get hurt. How?
She have one. Then flying balloon they were
Flying balloon. Flying balloon.
Flying balloon. How did she do that, my friend?
Why? You know.
How, bro?
Just climb to the bottom.
Your final answer that.
Balloon and your final answer. You can camera tell him say balloon and your
Balloon.
final answer.
Camera, tell him. Balloon. Balloon.
balloon.
Balloon.
Balloon.
It's all.
Did I answer? You missed the credit by this close.
Where's the Miss Wonderful? Where's the answer? She never dropped. She never dropped.
Never jump.
She run. She drop on her foot. Alright, I'm gonna make it easier for you. I'm gonna give you 2 questions. What time it open? What time up here to open? 7 o'clock. Alright, so no more to the race in the hand of me answer one here. What is the limit to how much you can collect? Race in the hand.
Alright, she raised her hand first. Go on.
Wrong.
Oh, wait, come here. What again? Yeah!
So people, we have a winner.
What's a winner? What's a come tell him your name.
Tristan.
Tristan. How you feeling, Tristan?
Feel happy.
Feel happy?
Come over here, come collect your phone, alright? Wait, I'm gonna collect this, alright? So we're gonna announce the credits. So use the phone, auntie.
65 16 14 83 66 77 51.
She got it? How you feeling?
What's again?
What's again? 100. 100. Alright, so I'll give you our next one.
So 91 16 23 81 40 78 84. We'll get it.
How you feeling?
You wanna get them free yet in your life like that? So easy. Alright,
Can I get one digital?
Digital?
All digital users.
Now go to 1 minute. 5 4 3 2 1 4 6 and 4 6 3 6 8 1 2 5 8 0 6 2 4. Yeah. Who get it?
You get it?
How you feeling? How much can you take it?
400 so far.
400 so far. Now give you one more floor credit.
Now go to 1 minute. We get ready. 5 4 3 2 1. Oh my 9 0 9 6 8. Start over. Ready now. 9 0 9 6 8 4 8 2 3 6 0 9 9 4.
Who get it?
You get it? How you feeling? You feel good? Two is getting it. Alright.
You get a brand new.
I'm very sorry. So they say we are too loud, so we got to calm down. Huh?
Plus you get a next chip. Yes man, so you can go home go call the fine if you want to.
How are you feeling?
What is that in my pocket?
So I feel my Christmas Merry.
Christmas Merry.
05 48. Wait. Start over. Alright, ready now? Alright. 05 48 29 68 23 25 7.
Who get it? Who get it? Who get it? No one get it. Who get it? You get it? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Good. Congratulations. Congratulations. I'm here for the Western Union, so make sure you tell everybody about it, you know.
74 23 89 98 89 25 4.
Who get it? Who get it? Who get it? You get it again? You get it? Who get it? Who get it? Who get it? Who get it? Alright, get it. Alright, let's try again. One more time. One more time.
Somebody near say, get it?
One inside, get it? Oh.
Yes, buddy.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, you're inside here and get that.
Oh, you're inside.
Because you're not allowed.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Oh, you so much.
$500 so far.
41 58 69 70 69 51
Yeah.
08.
Yeah. Send it quick. Who get that?
Who get it? Who get it? Who get it?
Who get that?
Who get it?
Who get it? Congrats, my friend. For winning more credit. One hand so quick.
52 26 53 22 3 5.
You get it? You get it?
You get it?
You get it? Alright, one more time.
Ready? 85 51 86 86 999 00 5.
Who get that? Who get that? Who get that?
Who get that?
Who get that?
You get it? You get it? How you feeling?
Fine.
The time for the flow. Not sponsored by Flow, but it's
59,
sponsored by Western Union.
52,
and the
26 53 22 35.
who get that? Who get that? Who get that?
Who get that? Who get that? You want fast no woman?
Yo, see me.
Hand fast. You get it? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Great.
Great. Alright,
That's
time
for
for participate.
So reach the end of the video here first. So just like, share, comment and subscribe. And subscribe
your
every
face.
time. Watch out now. But watch out now people. I don't know my face already. I don't know. I'm a boy.
Yo, cut that.